Okay, I want to share with you how you can adapt a pattern for maybe a manipulative or a body rhythm and translate it over to a different manipulative. So I watched a workshop of Charlotte's where she did a body rhythm for When the Savior Comes Again. And I want to show you how you can take that body rhythm and translate it over to different manipulatives.
When the Savior comes again, he will cleanse the earth and win. Glory will return as King of Kings among all men.
So this was the rhythm. She did pat, pat, clap, clap, clap. Pat, pat, clap, clap, clap. And then she did pat, clap, pat, clap, pat, clap, pat, clap. So I'm going to take that rhythm and I'm going to use it for Follow the Prophet. And I'm going to do the pat, pat, clap, clap, clap portion for the verse and the pat, clap, clap part for the chorus. Now she does a body rhythm, but I'm going to show you how you can do it with, let's start with rhythm sticks. So just translate it over just like this. Adam was a prophet, first one that we know. And then on the chorus, follow the prophet, follow the prophet, follow the prophet. And I added some slides here. Don't go astray, follow the prophet. Okay, so that's how it would work for rhythm sticks. Let's try it with pool noodles. Adam was a prophet, first one that we know. Just the same. And then the chorus. Follow the prophet, follow the prophet, follow the prophet. And I did some scrapes here. Don't go astray. Okay, so that works for pool noodles. If you have pu'ili sticks, same thing as with the rhythm sticks. Adam was a prophet, first one that we know. And then the chorus. Follow the prophet, follow the prophet, follow the prophet, don't go astray. Okay, and egg shakers. You can even do this with egg shakers. Adam was a prophet, first one that we know. And then the chorus. Follow the prophet, follow the prophet, follow the prophet. And then I did some swirls here. Don't go astray, follow the prophet. Okay, and I also think you can do this with the paper plates. Now these were the only ones I could find. Adam was a prophet, first one that we know. And follow the prophet, follow the prophet, follow the prophet. And then I did some swishing here. Don't go astray, follow the prophet. So that shows you how you can take an existing pattern that was for maybe a completely different song or maybe for a manipulative that you weren't going to plan to use it for, but you can translate a lot of these over to use with other manipulatives. You just have to think, how can I make this work with an egg shaker or with the pool noodles? And just start thinking, how can I make that work? And a lot of times it translates over great. So be thinking about how you can do that.